In this video, I want to give you a brief introduction to the structure and the topics of this course so that you have a broad overview of what we're going to work on accomplishing, and that can help you think through how you'll focus yourself and what you will be learning. There are two primary texts that we will work with in this book, our Book of Confessions and our Book of Order. We'll do an introduction to each of those. In terms of the Book of Confessions, for each week there'll be a couple of those confessions, one or sometimes two of those confessions, to which we get introduced and with which we interact. And so we'll walk through that book in some sense sequentially. The Book of Order is divided into 4 sections, and we will structure this course around those 4 sections so that you are prepared to understand the foundations of Presbyterian polity, our form of government, our directory for worship, and our rules of discipline. Along the way, we want to take both of those books and learn how to apply them in and for ministry in our rapidly changing environment. And so I hope that helps you understand the structure. And I think as you look through those books, that I hope that makes sense. Certainly ask with any questions. In terms of purposes for this class, our goal is to help you become a competent and faithful commissioned ruling elder. Now, not everyone who takes this class is already a ruling elder, but this class is not the only, but it's among the requirements in this presbytery to become commissioned as a ruling elder to service in this presbytery. And thus we take this very seriously, and that's why this class is relatively rigorous in terms of its engagement. You will gain a knowledge of the polity of the Presbyterian Church, including understanding our Book of Confessions and our Book of Order. And we will work on particular skills in terms of how we use the information there in the engagement of our ministry, and some of it around leading meetings according to our parliamentary procedure, which is contained in a book called Robert's Rules of Order. And we'll learn about that and what it means to do that. In terms of the structure of the class, there are quizzes most weeks. They are open book. You are welcome to use that. There will be case studies that I'll ask you to engage, and that will help us grow both as writers and also as thinkers in terms of application of polity to particular situations. There are a couple of knowledge exams because we want to make sure that you are understanding or knowing some certain content. And then there are readings, both of these primary texts, but then also of some texts that will help you engage with the application of this polity to ministry situations and understanding how it can be used. I look forward to all of that engagement with you, and if you have any questions about the structure of this class, please feel free to ask. Again, as I said before, I'm available via email, via cell phone and text, and also would be happy to meet face-to-face to talk through anything that you engage here about which you have questions. Look forward to it.